Now we are discussing about information technology. In that today we are discussing about must know Python development tools for developers. Python is a highly increasing programming language. So you should know Python. Python development tools for developers are most important because Python is also included artificial intelligence. In the last couple of years, Python coders have drastically increased at a good pace of 27% year on year, and it is because Python is the type of programming language that adheres to modern ideas in the programming world. With this high-rated programming language, coders can do data visualization, artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, task automation, analysis of data, developing software and websites and whatnot. The striking feature of Python is that it can be written once and run on practically any computer without requiring the application to be changed. This language makes use of a block structure and object orientation and is regarded as being simpler to use than most. But to make it more simple, there are several tools available on the internet. The main aim of these Python development tools is to enhance productivity and make tasks easier for the developers. The articles cover the list of best Python development tools that coders should use in 2023. Do you have a look? Do you have a look? This is one of the best Python development tools as it can translate data or more understandably. In this module, a script is compiled, the bytecode is disassembled, and the final output is printed to std out, standard out, std out. Apart from this, coders can pass functions, methods, classes, or code object in the did function. And next point is Selenium. It is one of the most highly used development tools that Python developers use. Selenium is used to write test scripts in a certain language like Java, C#, PHP, or any other language. Developers can combine multiple languages and can also perform tests through any web browsers thanks to Selenium. And Sphinx has also made it to the list of best Python development tools due to its striking features. Sphinx creates documentation for Python programs and codes through terminal or command on Windows. Apart from this, Sphinx also asks several questions to developers to create documentation is available in several file formats including HTML and PDF. Beautiful Soap, that is SOAP means Beautiful Soap is one of the useful Python productivity and development tools that is must by developers. This is used to extract data from HTML and XML files. SOAP is also a very good tool in Python. And Apache libcloud. Libcloud means library cloud. It offers a standardized API for communicating with several of the most well-known cloud service providers. The main aim to develop this is to assist the developers to create solutions that integrate with any of the supported services. Finally, conclusion is Python is the most user-friendly and potent of the several programming languages available in the market. Programming through Python is simple and efficient due to its adaptability and orientation, and this is the reason developers are opting for this language more. And with the above mentioned development tools, more and more coders will get into coding and Python in the future. This is the information regarding Python development. So Python is development tools for must know Python development tools for developers. They should know. So another advantage, the number one advantage of Python is it includes artificial intelligence. You need not write data types, integers, string, all these things you need not write. Once if you give the value or the variable, automatically it will understand which type of data type it is. So artificial intelligence is also included in this Python development tools. So it gives very good performance and it is user friendly also. Wishing you all the best.